Hey everybody, this is Ben with Diesel Power Products. Today we are talking about the TurboTime USA Lightning Bolt VGT Solenoid. Let's check it out. Now this is going to work on a wide array of trucks. Let's go over that real quick. Basically, the rule of thumb there is if you've got a Garrett turbo on your truck and it's a VGT style turbo, this is more than likely going to work. So let's start with the Powerstrokes. For you 03 to 07 6.0 guys, this is going to work for you. For the 11 to 19 Powerstrokes, that's your 6.7 guys, this is going to work for you. Quick note there, this is going to work on the later style 6.7 liter Powerstroke turbos. So if you have the 11 to 14 stock ceramic ball bearing turbo, this isn't going to work, but if you've retrofitted the 15 to 19 turbo onto your 11 to 14, this will work. Now the Duramaxes, this is going to be your LLY, LBZ, LMM, and LML. That's 04.5 to 16. These will work with the stock turbo on that truck. As you can see, it comes with everything you need for installation. May not look like a lot of parts because it is a very easy installation. You've got your actuator here, you've got your hold down tab, a spacer and a bolt, and of course instructions, and a really nice box. I'm a sucker for good packaging. This is fantastic packaging. And of course, stickers. Who doesn't love stickers? Now you may be thinking to yourself, well, what's this going to do? Why do I want it on my truck? Well, if you have a VGT style turbo on the truck, that means you basically have a turbo that acts like a small turbo down low, but a big turbo up top. And it does that by opening or closing the vanes in the exhaust housing of the turbo. It's great for these newer trucks, especially if you need to run clean and have a lot of power down low. It kind of gets rid of the whole saying getting on top of the turbo, because you don't necessarily have to light the turbo up. The vanes are going to do that for you. As far as getting better performance out of the truck, the stock actuator is honestly a little bit lazy. You may have noticed that the turbo maybe just doesn't snap to quite as quick, or as it's opening or closing, it just kind of feels like it's just not doing what it's supposed to do. So inherently, this is going to help that. It's going to help those vanes open and close a lot faster. It's also going to be able to hold them open or hold them closed harder, which will allow you to build more boost faster, and more boost is always a good time. You're also going to notice there's two options for this actuator. There's a Type R and a Type S. The Type S is going to be for you guys that are running stock injectors, the truck still does daily driving duties, tows a lot. It's going to work very well for you guys. The Type R is going to be if you maybe have done larger injectors, upgraded the fuel system on your truck, and you're trying to get a little bit more horsepower out of it. This is more of a power-oriented build, not so much a daily driver type build. The R is going to be built for you. So let's touch on these benefits real quick. As we mentioned before, you're going to get more boost out of it. When you get more boost out of the truck, things tend to operate better. A diesel is just a big air pump. Got to get air in, get air out. The more efficiently you do that, the better your truck is going to run. So you're typically going to see about a 5 to 12% increase in boost across the board without any sort of additional tuning or anything like that. And you're also going to see a better running truck, which is going to be better, more fuel efficient. Fuel prices are through the roof, and who doesn't love a little bit of extra economy that comes along with better performance? You're also going to have a cooler running truck and just a little bit more snappy, which is always going to be fun, and it's going to help things last a lot longer for the long road, because who buys a diesel just to drive it one day and sell it the next? I've done that. Lastly, as far as benefits, increased torque down low. I know it sounds crazy, right? Who can increase more torque on a diesel? It's already a very torquey engine. Well, this can. And it's going to help you get more torque down low, which is where you really need it, especially if you are towing with the truck. Now you may be thinking to yourself, I have an emissions intact truck. Will this work? Yes, it will work with an emissions intact truck. Do I need any special tuning? No. Do I need a special adapter? No. It fits in exactly where the stock one was. So if you can reach the stock actuator, you can install this and be underway having a good time. If you have any questions on this or are not sure if it's going to work for your truck, do not hesitate to reach out. We've got several different ways to get a hold of us. We're on the social medias. You can email us. You can text us. You can go on the website and use the chat feature, or kick it old school, pick up the phone and give us a shout. We have sales technicians on the phone 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday, and they're happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.